Nice couple pins of Brangus and Brangus Baldies. Heifers will weigh, the lightest one weighs 650. Most of them weigh 750. So there'd be very, very few that weigh 650. You'd probably cut them off. Most of the rest of them weigh 7+. Really stout heifers. Very uniform. About 100 degrees out here today, at least, so they're hot. Good heifer here. A few of these heifers be a little smaller, so like I said, we can get a little bigger group. Comment, send some video of these. Oh gosh. Yeah. Ooh. That heifer there may not make it on the truck. She may go back to Wharton County. Whew, it's a good heifer. Anyways. Easy girls. Heifers are plenty stout. Lots of character. If somebody just wants a load of Baldies or a load of Brangus, it's fine. I won't sell anything any smaller than a load out of here. But you can dang sure get a load of heifers that are going to be real good. Well, there's probably 100 between these two pins of each. 100 Baldies, 100 Brangus heifers. They're good. Nothing wrong with them. Like I said, plenty of character. They are the kind. Good heifers that'll make you a lot of money. Get them bred and sell them again. Making money.